So this project calls for a multiple of 8 plus 6. I'm going to make a small sample of the wrap. So instructions say that you need to single crochet in the 7th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to skip chain 5. You're going to skip 4 chains. You're going to single crochet. You're going to skip chain 5. You're going to skip 2 chains. You're going to chain 5. You're going to skip 4. Do a single crochet. And then again, chain 5. You're going to single crochet. You're going to skip 2 chains. And you're going to single crochet. So that is the pattern for row number 1. So it's going to be 4, 2. So then the next would be 5. See, 1, 2, 4, 5. And skip 4 stitches. Okay, single crochet. Then for the last one, you're going to chain 2. Skip your last 2, and then in the 3rd, you're going to do a double crochet. If you have extra chains for some reason, then you can always go back and undo them. So that's not an issue. Okay, so that's row number 1. So row number 2 says we need to chain 1. We're going to single crochet in the very first stitch. And then we're going to skip this, and then this chain 5 space, we're going to do 9 double crochets. I'm going to go do 9 real quick. And I'll come back. Okay, so once you finish with the 9, and then in the second chain 5 space, you're going to do a single crochet. And then in this one, you're going to do 9 double crochets, single crochet, 9 double crochets. So in the larger spaces, you're going to do your 9 double crochet, and in this one, you're going to do your single crochet. Okay, so once you're at your last 9 double crochets, in this space, you're just going to do a single crochet on top of the chain 3. So more or less around here. See if I can get it. Let's see. Do this one right here. May want to do it a little bit lower, so this way you don't have this. I'm gonna do it over here. That way you don't have that. See, it's a little bit straighter, I guess. Okay, so that's row number 2. So row number 3 says that we need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to skip 2 double crochets. 1, 2. You're going to single crochet in the next. You're going to chain 5. You're going to skip 2 more. 1, 2, single crochet in the next. Then you are going to chain 2. You're going to do a double crochet in this single crochet right here. Chain 2. And you're going to skip 1, 2 double crochets, then do a single crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. 1, 2 double crochet, single crochet in the next. Chain 2, double crochet in the stitch and the single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2, single crochet in the next. Chain 5, skip 2, 1, 2, and single crochet in that last one. So the way you end this one, you end it with here, so you're going to chain 2. You're going to do a double crochet on the very last one, top of that single crochet up there. So that's row number 3. So row number 4, you're going to chain up 3. And you're going to do 4 double crochets in the first space, not in the stitch, but in the space. Just didn't finish this one, so 4. Then you're going to single crochet in this chain 5 space. And you're going to jump to this next chain 2 space, and you're going to do 4 double crochets. Goodness gracious, I have such a hard time doing this. Okay, and then on this double crochet, you're going to do a double crochet on top of that one. I don't know what it is about this crocheting on camera. It just look. Geez. Good thing it's a sample. If not, I would have to go back and undo everything. Okay, so in this next chain 2 space, you're going to do another set of 4 double crochets in that space. Okay, then you're going to jump to this next chain 5 space and do a double crochet. And again, on this next chain 2 space, you're going to do 4 double crochets. Double crochet on top of this double crochet. And then in the next chain 2 space, do another 4 double crochets. 3, 4. Then again, a single crochet right here in the chain 5 space. And in the last space, you're going to do 4 double crochets in the space directly. I'm trying to do this too fast, and that's why and then your last double crochet is going to be on the top of the chain 3. So that way it can keep the, just going to do it, there you go. So that's row number 4. Now we're going to go to row number 5. So you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 1 double crochet, this one right here, and in this one you're going to do a single crochet. Okay, then you're going to chain 2, and then okay, this is weird. Oh, you're going to jump to, what did I do? Let me see. You're supposed to be a single crochet here, right? Jesus, you would think I know this. This is weird. So you're going to do the single crochet there, you're going to chain 2, and you're going to go into the single crochet below and do a double crochet, chain 2, skips 2, 1, 2, do a single crochet, and then chain 5, skip 2, 1, 2, then do a single crochet. You're going to chain 2, you're going to do a single crochet, double crochet on top of this single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet in the next, chain 5, skip 2, single crochet in the next, you're going to chain 2, do a double crochet on top of the single crochet. Wow, I really spaced out there. Okay, then you're going to skip 2, you're going to single crochet before the last double crochet, next to last, then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do a double crochet on the top of the single crochet below. So that's row 5. So we'll do row 6 because supposedly the pattern is a repeat of row 2 to 5, but row 2 does not really doesn't add up because this is row 2. You would do this, but see, you have these spaces here. So I would suggest doing rows 3 to 6. So row 6 would be, let me see, I'm gonna highlight this thing. What is wrong with row 6? So you're going to chain 1, you're going to single crochet in that same stitch, and you're going to jump to the space right here, and that's where you're going to do your 4 double crochets. Oh goodness, it's thundering. Hopefully it'll rain. It hasn't rained in a long time. Okay, so 4, then you're going to double crochet on top of the double crochet, wow, and then do your 4 double crochets here, there's 3 and 4. We're going to single crochet in this chain 5 space. Oh, you're not going to chain. I don't know why I thought that. Then you're going to do your 4 double crochets. Double crochet on the top. So after you start, repeating this, it'll make sense and it'll be easy. It's not really that. Not a difficult pattern. Okay, single crochet in the next space, 4 double crochet, goodness, then 4, if I can do them, 3, 4, top of this double crochet here. Goodness, what is this thing doing to me? 3, 4, and then you're going to, oh goodness. Let me check this because I'm lost. Okay, sorry. Then you single crochet on the top of the chain 3. Wasn't keeping count of where I was, so I got lost there. Okay, so that's going to be row, the row 6. So we're going to start again with row 3, which is you chain 5. And you're going to skip 2, 1, 2 double crochets, do your single crochets, and then do your chain 5, skip 2, and then just repeat that row. Chain 2, then you're going to do your double crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 2, and then skip 2, and that's it. So that would be the repeat row of 3, and then you repeat row 4, 5, and 6. Then you go back to 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the pattern for this wrap. It's really easy. I'm doing it, of course, you can see it in the photo, but I'm doing it in this colors right here. I'm using the Karen Skinny Cakes, the Spectrum color. So I just started this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it and then post it, take a photo. But that's it. This is a pattern. It's not that difficult. Just keep track of what row you're on. Because just like me, I wasn't keeping track, and I didn't know what row I was on. So when I actually crochet this, I do to keep track of the row I am, the row I'm on, because I will forget. Especially if you get sidetracked like me all the time, get interrupted, gotta do this, gotta do that. So anyway, so that's the pattern. Because it's a wrap, I really don't do, you can do like a, I don't know if it would actually work though. You would end this in row 4 or 6 actually. You would end on row 6, and then you can probably do like a single crochet edge just on the side, the bottom, and on the sides, and leave that there for the wrap. That would be up to you. So anyway, that's the pattern. Please email me with any questions, and I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.